Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Trade Guide Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Danny Younes from SuperchargeWyckoffESA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread Analysis. In today's video, I'm going to analyze the British pound versus the Aussie dollar. And what I've got here, folks, is the 4-hour chart. And if we have a look at Smart Center Pro, first off, the British pound Aussie is showing most of the time frames are trending up. We've got weekly is up, the 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, and the 15-minute is up. The daily 5-minute and 1-minute, they're basically moving sideways at the moment, but I'm looking at possibly for this currency pair to move higher. Now, if we bring up the scanner, okay, so we can see that that on the monthly, on the weekly, we certainly had some strength coming in, okay, and it has certainly pushed up higher, okay. So so the weekly here is most likely the catalyst for it moving higher over the last couple of weeks. So what I'm looking out for, so first off, I look at areas of ultra high volume, okay, and there are two areas. Well, they're very high volume. The first one is this bar here, okay, it's got a very high volume there, and the second one is this one here, okay. So if we put in our lines, okay, so that's one of them. On the highs of that bar, we can see that price goes back and tests that level, okay. The next level, which is this bar here, the high of that, okay. So we can see yet again that price is just lingering around this level. They've tried to mark the price up. We've gotten a hidden up thrust, a sign of weakness 40, and that's pushed the price slightly down, and now they're trying to break through. Now they've broken through. It hasn't closed above our trigger point yet, but they're breaking through, and now what I'm looking for is some signs of strength. If we do close above this trigger point at 170.37, I'm looking for signs of strength to go long, okay. Now currently it's in the middle of the range, all right, so the volume isn't very high, which is great, because if we start to see ultra high volume as it's breaking through a previous area of resistance, then that could be selling, okay. So at this stage the volume is still average, okay, so looking for it to break above this level, and I'm looking for signs of strength to go long. Now where can it go potentially, okay, so if we zoom in, okay, so these are the key levels where it could go to, okay. So the first level is around about that 172 mark, next level is around about that 173.5, and then around about the 174, just under 175, okay. So they're the key levels to keep an eye out for if you are in fact in a trade. Okay, so those levels here. Okay, so we could potentially see this go back towards the highs, just under the 177 mark. Okay, so but at this stage, what I want to see is firstly bar the bar closing above my trigger of 170.37, and then I'm looking for signs of strength uh, to go long, and these are my profit targets along the way. Now, if it closes on the lows, so if this 4-hour bar closes on the lows, then certainly there is selling. As we see that there is a hidden up thrust here, which is weakness. If we get another uh, weak type bar, then this will most certainly come back down towards the 169 and a half level, back down towards this trigger point. Okay, so that's what I'm eyeing out, folks, on the British pound Aussie. If we start to see the daily starting to trend up, then that would work in our favor. So if I just bring up the daily chart, now as you can see, it's starting to turn. Okay, so another couple of days of a couple of days of up days, then this will certainly change trend as well. Okay, so that's what I'm eyeing out, folks. If you got any questions, please send me through an email to info@superchargedwyckoffvsa.com. Have a great day, folks, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.